Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to paint one painting. Its name is A Rainy Season. How to make it a rainy season with a poster colors. Please take your poster colors, your water, your brush, your different kind of flat brush, round brush, narrow flat brush. Now we are going to start. Take it black color. Take it light black color to show a gloomy sky. Blur up with water till down. Use water to blur up down. If you want to show few clouds, you can make it by using black color. Here I made few clouds. One land far away. Same thing here, both the side lands. Take it few water to blend up with the water. Same thing on opposite side. If you want to make it little bit dark, you can take it black color and you can show the different levels of the land. Now take it water and make it road at the center. Now few small houses far away. Few houses far away. I'm going to make it one town. Here few houses done. Now I'm going to give detailing with a black color. Even also you can say this as a monochrome color, where I'm only using black color. Here is a detailing of house. Here I am making a very dark climate. Few houses. Here is few houses. Now I'm going to make it few trees. Which is flowing in air. Few patches with a flat brush. Few bushes. Now I'm going to make it few branches with a detailing brush. Here my branches is done. Few fences of the house. Now I'm going to make it one coconut tree which is flowing in air. Few strokes inside for showing the blowing air. Again one small coconut tree. And few drops. Here is our rainy season started. You can make it this landscape as a rainy day or a storm day. Now few human beings using an umbrella and going out of a town side. Few puddles. Here our rainy day is made. Even also you can make it in poster drawing. Even also you can make it in competition where your topic is rainy day.